This video from Shop Stuff, we're just following up on our main sales video on the CountLab 8S and 9S registers. In this video I'm just going to show you the barcode scanning option for the register. So the 8S and 9S, when ordered from shopstuff.co.uk, are available with an additional barcode scanner, which is supplied with a stand, cable and all the necessary configuration information. The 8S and 9S registers have a memory of up to 2000 scanning PLUs, and I'll just quickly show you. It's a single beam scanner, so you grab your barcoded item once programmed, scan the item, scan the barcode, and the description, the product description that you've programmed in, appears on the operator display. It'll also appear on the receipt. I've just programmed a few in to show you it working. Cashing offer sale is exactly the same, so we subtotal 845. That 845 will appear on the operator display and also on the rear customer display, which I showed you in the previous video. And then you cash the sale off in the normal fashion. Till drawer opens, and then you get the receipt printout as you would with a normal sale. Programming items is really simple. Just pop that receipt there, press subtotal, arrow down to the PLUs and department programming, cash to enter, and then we're looking for create new PLU on the display there, cash to enter. Then you scan the barcode. So I've got a new product here that I haven't scanned the barcode of. Scan it, it registers the barcode. You can double check the number has appeared correctly with what's on screen. It then jumps down to the name, so you press cash total, and then you can quickly type in your name using the buttons here. When you're happy with your description, cash to save, you can enter the price, 2.95, arrow down. There is a stock option here. I've disabled that on this machine for the purposes of the video, so you can set the stock and then it comes up with a warning when you're running low on stock. You can associate your PLU to a specific department, so my department number 1 is groceries, so that'll do for this product. Arrow down to the very bottom. You probably can't see on the video, but if I tilt slightly, the very bottom option is save. When you've got that highlighted, press cash total, and then we come back by pressing subtotal again, back into registration. And now when we scan that new product, we get the description appear on the display. It sold it for $2.95 and it's appearing on the till receipts. Just really quickly have a look at how they appear on the reports. So if we press subtotal, arrow down to Z reports, cash to enter, obviously that sale will be included in your normal financial daily report and your monthly report. It'll be added to the appropriate department for that reporting purpose, but there's also a PLU report day and month. So if we go into the day one, you can scroll through the report as it appears here. So each item is listed out with its barcode, its description, the total sale value, and then also the quantity. But you can also then obviously print the reports. You can press subtotal to reset the data, and then subtotal again to get back to the main screen. And if we take a look, we've got quite detailed information. So it's the barcode number, the description we've programmed in, total sales value, total quantity, any refunds, and then also the stock figure that I mentioned earlier. Okay, so that's just a part of a sequence of videos showing you the CountLab 8S and 9S registers. As I've mentioned previously, the difference between the two models is the cash drawer. So on the 8S you get the small compact cash drawer, and on the 9S it's the large cash drawer. To order either the 8S or 9S, please visit shopstuff.co.uk. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.